Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you all my weekend routine. So this weekend I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be at home. Like I'm going to be in my area only. So I'm going to share what I do. The first thing now I'm going to do is I'm going to make my breakfast, and for that I'm going to make poha. But before that, actually yesterday I got some Indian groceries and I have to arrange them. So first I'm going to do that and then I'll make my breakfast. So guys, my breakfast is ready. I made poha and tea and now I'm going to have it. So guys, I'm done with my breakfast and now I'm going to clean my room because it is a mess. So guys, I am done with cleaning up my room and now I'm going to make rajma. Rajma is my favorite dish. So I had already soaked the rajma yesterday. Now I'm going to give this 4 to 5 whistles and I'm going to put a little bit of salt so that the salt is nicely mixed with the rajma. So till the time the rajma is getting ready, I will prepare the tadka. So for the tadka, I'm taking 4 chilies because I like it spicy. 2 tomatoes. This is nice big sized tomatoes. Then I'm taking 1.5 onion. This is a very small onion, so it's like 1.5. And I'm also going to use garlic and ginger paste, but that's ready made. So yeah. You just need to grind all these things. So I'm going to grind the green chilies and onions together, and I'm going to grind tomatoes separately. Rajma is ready over here. Now for the spices, I'm going to use turmeric. Then I'm going to use this Kashmiri Lal chili powder. This is not spicy, but it adds a nice color. Salt. Then I'm going to add coriander powder, and then at the end I'm going to add this garam masala. I don't put any masalas with a proper measurement. I just eyeball it and put it. So, but I can tell you, like, turmeric is 1 teaspoon. Then I have put the Kashmiri Lal red chili powder, and that was also 1 teaspoon. Then coriander powder is 1 full tablespoon, and I'm going to put the garam masala at the end. So this is also going to be 1 tablespoon. Now this tadka has cooked properly, so I'm going to put garam masala. Now I will let this tadka cook for more 10 minutes, and then I will add the rajma in it. Once the oil starts separating from your tadka, that means it's ready, and this is the time to put your rajma in it. So now I'm going to put my rajma in the tadka. So now I'm making rice, because rajma and rice is the best combination. So guys, now I'm going to study. Yes, I go to German class, so they give lots of homework, and now I have time, so I'm going to complete that, and then I'll see what to do. So guys, now I'm ready because the weather outside is really beautiful, and I don't want to miss this weather. So I thought that I would go down for a walk, and I also wanted to go to the supermarket, so I will go there as well. Let me just show you the weather outside. So guys, I'm back home and now I'm going to watch something on Netflix. Then I will have my dinner and then probably go off to sleep. So if I sleep, so I will meet you tomorrow. If not, then we will see. Bye. Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday and I just woke up like 15 minutes ago. Now I'm going to go and make my breakfast. So guys, my breakfast is ready and I have made caprese salad with coffee. Hi guys, so as it is Sunday today, everything over here is shut. All the supermarkets, pharmacies, everything is shut. Only restaurants are open. Basically, today is a rest day. So I'm going to rest today and but I need to vacuum my bedroom and the kitchen, so I will do that. So guys, I had my shower, I had my lunch, and now I'm going to have buttermilk. And after this, maybe I will take a nap, and then in the evening I'll go for a walk. So guys, I am ending the vlog over here. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.